Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. And today I thought I'd talk about what is an easement. What does that mean? Basically, an easement is a legal right to use somebody's property for a specific purpose. I know that sounds convoluted, but an easy example of it would be a telephone pole. If you have a telephone pole running through the back of your yard, the phone company actually has an easement to your property. It says, hey, we can put our telephone pole here and the wires that go to it. It's okay with you. And that stays with the land. They don't need your permission. It doesn't transfer from owner to owner. It just stays with the land. The next buyer will also have that same easement on there. So when you hear of an easement, whether it's sewer lines or cabling or telephone wire, whatever it is, that's what an easement is. It should make sense what they are. If you have any questions, I can always answer that for you. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Hope that helps.